Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate this pretty floral design that's perfect for spring. Start off by painting all of your nails a pale, matte pink. Once the base polish is dry, use a mint polish to make a 5-petaled flower in the center of your nail. Make a couple of dark green leaves and a stem beside the flower. Use a lighter green to add a leafy branch. Make a stick with 3 branches beneath the flower with dark blue polish. Using a light orange, make a 5-petaled flower above the center flower and a round flower below it. Keep using the same color to add a 3-petaled flower to the dark green stem. Add small blue flowers to the ends of the dark blue stems, and then make a 5-petaled flower under the round orange one. Use white polish to add oval-shaped centers and highlights to the flowers. Add some dark orange details to the orange flowers and some teal details to the mint flowers. Finally, add dark blue centers to the flowers. Sealing your design with a matte top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!